So this is from Infinix Smart 8. Going to perform how to set. Perform. Reset. And reset. Reset. So I'm going to use power button for 1 to 2 seconds and volume down. Power button 1 to 2 seconds, volume down. Power button 1 to volume down. After log, I'll release power button, keep holding, volume down. That's all. After this log, power button, volume up. Power button together with volume up. And raise here. And go down here. Come here and format. That is all. Thanks for watching. Very, very usual.